What are you cooking, Mom? Not eating that. I'm gonna go to the school real quick. It is probably like 5 in the morning now. No, 6. I slept like shit because there's a lot of things that wake me up. There was a big ass cockroach in my room, which I tried to have my mom kill, and I got bit a few times, not by mosquitoes, but there was a red ant in my bed that woke me up. I had to kill that. But otherwise, it was definitely a pretty good experience out here. This is my last day here though, so I will be out of here and taking the bus to something less country. Well, I'm definitely wanting to see what the countryside is like, and I did. This is how we do baths out here. That's hot water. Pour the hot water in there. This faucet is all cold water. And then the infamous Tabo. Back to the roots. Walking through the school I was at yesterday when I took the drone out and shot just behind the school. A bunch of kids that saw the drone and just chased me out into the field, followed the drone out there. They automatically assume I'm a YouTuber, which makes it kind of funny, turning these stuff into vlog. I felt famous. These guys were walking around with me like I was some kind of star. It was pretty funny. They were acting like my bodyguards, which you'll see. They were surrounding me like my entourage, and they were trying to protect me from other people getting around. Oh, chinelas mo. Okay, lahat kayo bodyguards ko, ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My bodyguards. Okay, area clear. Mga macho men.
Andrew.
Hey.
Pwede ko siyang hawakan.
Baka hindi ka niya kilala. Bye, Andrew. We'll go na.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
What's up, mga subscribers? Anong YouTube channel mo? What are we doing? Anong ginagawa natin dito?
Nagpipili ng dress si Ate Kim. Ulitin mo.
Okay, okay. Start over.
Okay, what's up?
What's up? What's going on? At nandito tayo sa
Pagpilian ng gown
para sa
Miss Malasigi.
Okay, show us the gown.
Which do you prefer? The black one or the blue one?
Vlogger to, ah.
I like the black one.
Nangangawit na ako.
Hawakan mo ganito.
Gown number
3. Go over there.
The black or the blue?
Black and blue.
Bye. Thanks for touring me around. We're leaving. Bye. Where's Andrew? You taking for a walk already? I know. I'll be back. Where is he? There he is. me see those triceps. Let me see those triceps. Let me see them. Flex them. Your triceps.
What triceps?
What do you think your triceps are?
I don't know.
This one. Back here. Yeah. Let me see it. Ooh. Ooh. And then do this. Ooh. Ooh. It's bigger than it was the day before. High five.